Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more. Okay, let's have a look at question 10. A digital circuit is shown in the simplified diagram. The output of logic gate Y controls a buzzer. Remember, we've learned about logic gates before. The output of the digital circuit alone is not able to operate the buzzer. Ring the component from the list that must be connected between the output of the digital circuit and the buzzer. Is it a fuse, a heater, relay, resistor, or a thermistor? Now remember, a logic gate output, like gate Y over here, typically supplies a very, very small current at low voltage, enough to drive logic inputs, not a power device like a buzzer. Okay, so a relay is an electrically operated switch. Has a small current in its coil from the logic output. So the small current in its coil controls a separate circuit that can actually deliver a much larger current or voltage to the buzzer. So we interpose the relay so the tiny logic current safely switches the larger supply needed by the buzzer. Okay, I'm going to read it again. A relay is needed because the output from the logic gate provides only a small current, which is not enough to operate the buzzer. The relay coil uses the small current to switch a separate circuit that can supply the larger current required by the buzzer. Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.